I can't believe this place is actually real.
Believe it, because it only gets better from here. Welcome to Beaver Carnival. Once a year, the beavers throw a secret carnival in the woods, and it's the most fun thing ever.
So this is what they do with all the wood?
Yep, let's go.
Yeah!
Oh, you can see the whole forest from here.
Oh!
Oh! Hey, look, you can see the whole forest.
Yeah, I did it!
Winner! You, sir, win a map!
Oh, Bear, stop it. That was so much fun. I can't believe that clown was made entirely from twigs.
And the sawdust cotton candy, mwah, top of the line cuisine.
Bogbear, do you remember which way our home is?
Of course I do. Follow me. Okay, I don't remember which way home is.
Does that mean we're lost? I'm too young to be lost.
And I'm too pretty to be lost.
Wait, didn't you win that map at the carnival?
You're right, I did.
We can use that to find our way home. It looks like if we just, okay. Interesting. I'm actually not great at reading maps, so this might take a while.
Mountain Boy, look!
Oh no! A termite is eating our map! We need to figure out which way home is and fast. I know I shouldn't, but I love soggy worms so much. Mountain Man John! Oh, hey guys. I wasn't doing nothing. Ignore that. What can I help with?
Were you about to eat that soggy worm?
Oh, was I about to eat the soggy worms? No. Ignore that. No one eats soggy worms. We have a tiny problem. We can't find our way home.
And a termite is eating our map.
Calm down. I think I have something in my thing that can help. Hey, look!
Oh, a letter wheel. Yeah, I should have thought of that.
It's actually a compass. A compass can help us figure out what direction we're headed. The N stands for north, the E stands for east, the S stands for south, and the W stands for west. Another way to think about it is using this phrase: never eat soggy worms.
Got it. All right, Mountain Boy, let's get out of here.
Hold on, Bugbear. You still have to learn how to use the compass. Oh, yeah. We knew that. Most, if not all compasses, will have a red arrow. This red arrow always points magnetic north. We call this guy Fred. Hi, Fred. Thanks for your help. This arrow at the top is called our direction of travel, or DOT for short. My compass has 2 green lines. I call it Fred's home.
That's a dinky looking home.
Fred doesn't need a lot to be happy. One of the most important things to remember about your compass is to always lay it flat. It will show you better which direction you're traveling. Now, in order to use the compass, what you're going to want to do is figure out what direction you want to go. In this case, I want to go east. So I'm going to turn my compass until my east is pointed at my direction of travel. And then I'm going to turn my body until Fred is in his home. And as soon as Fred is in his home, I know that this direction is east, because Fred always points magnetic north. And now I'm ready to go east. Okay, and it looks like home is east of here. Thanks, Mountain Man John. Anytime, guys. Have fun. Oh, I know I'm not supposed to do this, but I really do love soggy worms. Real good.
Hi, Mountaineers. Today we're going to make a sundial. Let's check out what's in the rock box. What you'll need is a ruler, a cool plate, a pencil, and a marker. You're going to take your ruler and put it across your plate. You're going to mark up one end and the other. So this way we can make little dials for our sundial. you can use a sundial to tell time. Now we're going to draw a little dot in the center of the plate. And that's where we're going to poke the pencil through. So you can use the sharp side to poke a hole in the plate and then anchor the pencil on the opposite side. Sync up the sundial to whatever time it is for you. For me, it's 1 o'clock. Now, as the sun moves across the sky, the shadow will shift and tell you what time it is. And that's how you can make your own sundial at home.
Run, play, go outside. 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 Go outside, go outside. Run, play, go outside. You find dragons in your backyard, or mermaids under the sea, buried treasure in a bush, or parrots in a tree. You could go on a quest and see the world, read a book in a quiet place, play some games, meet some friends, or beat a tortoise in a race. But you gotta run, play, go outside, 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 go outside, go outside, run, play, go outside. Yeah! Whoa, look at all the stuff there is to do out here.
Wow!
We can explore.
We sure can.
Hey, Mountain Boy, what's that?
Oh, wow!
Is that a playground?
I think it is.
Oh, look at that.
So pretty out here.
Bailey's Strange Puzzle House by Tall Corgi Kids. Bailey's new home was drab and boring. It was his Grandpa Shabaz's old house. Grandpa Shabaz was a world-renowned explorer, known for his amazing discoveries. Bailey wondered how someone as interesting as his grandpa could live somewhere so bland. But what Bailey didn't know was that his new home was no ordinary house. This house had a secret. Grandpa Shabaz had hidden all of his amazing discoveries inside. However, you could only find them if you knew where to look. Bailey was so bored that he started playing games with curtains and flicking that little spring thing behind the door. This home couldn't be more mundane, or at least that's what he thought. Bam! In all his boredom, Bailey accidentally unlocked one of Grandpa Shabaz's legendary and mysterious possessions, a wild manticore. Bailey knew that if his parents found out he released a monster in the house, he'd be grounded for life. He had to get it back. Bailey chased the monster out of his room, down the stairs and down the hall, but the wild manticore was too fast for him. Even Rocket couldn't keep up. They chased the beast around the kitchen, being careful not to break any of the dishes. The manticore ran back up the stairs, past Bailey's bedroom. That's when Bailey noticed a letter from Grandpa Shabaz on the floor. It read, "To whom it may concern, if my pet manticore, Boris, should ever escape, do not chase him. He is way too fast to catch. However, he does love a good game of fetch." That gave Bailey an idea. Bailey grabbed Rocket's red ball and got Boris's attention. Boris wagged his long, giant tail ready to play. Bailey tossed the ball back into the trap door. Boris chased after it. Wham! The door shut behind him. Bailey had done it! Maybe Grandpa Shabaz's house wasn't as boring as Bailey thought. Chasing a wild manticore is fun, but that was enough adventure for one day.